Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are. Today is April 4th, 2019. Well, another sort of boring day, don't you think? The market here, to me, it seems like it's a little bit of a boring day, even though I made a couple trade, but nothing exciting here. But anyway, let's go and take a look at the market and see what it has been doing and what we might expect later on this afternoon. So the crude oil is up 22 cents at 62.68, and gold is down 10 cents at 12.95.20, and the Dow Jones Industrial is up 112 point at 26.329. It doesn't seem like the market is really up that much, huh? Because the S&P is down 1 penny or 3 cents. Well, right now it's down 37 cents. It's kind of fluctuating right now at 28.73, so it's pretty much break even. And the Nasdaq 100 is down 23 point at 7,521. The Russell is down 1.7 at 1562. Nasdaq Composites down 25 at 7,870, and the Dow Jones Transportation is up 31 at 10,673. Up-down volume is not bad at New York Stock Exchange. It's running close to 2.0. It's 1.92 positive. But the Nasdaq is running negative 1.11, and the Russell is positive 1.31. So a little bit of a mixed bag there. And the advanced decline in the New York Stock Exchange, the advanced in the lead that declined by 538 issues. And in the Nasdaq is advanced ahead of the decline by 215 issue. Cumulative ticks is up in the New York and it's down in the Nasdaq. You can see the ES open auction in range is kind of basically just swept through the range from a value area high to value area low, took out the overnight low and then came back in. So it's kind of trading below the IB low there. And pretty much the same for the Nasdaq, the NQ, open auction in range, took out the whole, sweep down the entire range from the high to a low, and then right now it's trading right beneath the IB low. So that's a little bit of a quick preview, an update on that. So let's take a look at the daily candlestick. It's still trying to hold on to this 28.65. Right, and it's sitting inside the zone. I am actually still looking for this thing to come back below the 28.65 and come back and test this zone here. But hey, never know, the market just go poop and go into a new high, right? So we'll see. But that's basically what I'm looking at. It is kind of getting weak, looking at the volume profile. We got an inside day here. Value is pretty much the same as yesterday. Right, it is one time framing up. We got a little bit of an inside day here. So we'll see if it comes down to test 28.65 later on today. Then definitely that will make it a one-time framing down. And looking at the market profile, we do have a poor high and a poor low at work here, and there's a couple of the single print and also a point of control back in October 9th. And down here we have yesterday's point of control and some poor high and some point of control down here. So there's a little gap here too that need to get filled. There's a lot of things on the downside that need to get fixed, and also there's a couple things pretty close on the upside for it to go tag. So it could move either way. And if we go take a look at the daily, so you can see that the daily, we have yesterday's poor high, and also we have a poor high at work and a poor low at work, right? So you could say well, you could say it's kind of pinch off, but not really, right? And so oops, let's look at the long here, right? So what are we looking at here? I am actually looking at this thing to come back down to the overnight low. Take out the overnight low and possibly come down and test yesterday's low. That's what I'm looking at for this afternoon. Alright, so I know it's kind of boring, not very energetic about this market today. So hey, hopefully you're a little bit more excited than I am. But anyway, hey, if you find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't, give it a thumbs down. Make my day. Anyway, now to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button at the lower right hand corner and subscribe and help me build up this channel. And be sure to click on that notification icon, that bell icon, so you will get notified whenever I do a video such as this, or when I upload a video to my channel in the middle of the night. Right, like I did yesterday, I think, on Lyft. So hey, if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. Alright, thank you for watching, and hopefully you're having a good day and have a good rest of the day.